Okay, so this is New Year's Day. Took a trip, Niagara Falls. I visited a couple outlets, Premium Outlet and Oak. I forget what the other one is called. It's more closer to the border. And then stayed in Niagara Falls. Drove over the border. Went to Buffalo, New York. Went to some more outlets on went to Burlington Coat Factory, got some coats. So yeah, so this is what this video is about, just the different places I visit on New Year's Day. The first, second, third. Yeah. So hopefully you guys like it. It's just me by myself. I don't have any professional equipment, so bear with me with the turn of the camera. It's just army of one. As time progresses, it'll get better. But also, when you're walking in stores, you have to be careful where you're videoing because you don't want to video people. So you're gonna find that the camera's gonna move around a lot. Yeah, I got some good deals on these LeBrons. Got some really good deals on them. And yeah, that's my main focus when I went on the road. Like if there wasn't a good deal, I'm not buying it. It's just that like I'm looking for deals. I got really good deals on the jackets. Those LeBrons, I got really good deals on them. Yeah, I got some shoes for my boss for like $40 US. Some I think they're Jaws. I don't know. One of those Jaw. Yeah. One thing I would say if you're going on the road, long driving, don't wear Timberlands. Or if you do, make sure they're broken into. My right foot, oh man, those Tims are so narrow, 9.5. They're squeezing my right foot because my foot is not long, it's wide. So the top part of my feet, like the side are being, I don't even know how I made it through. And we did a lot of walking. So I'm not buying any more 9.5 Tims. If I buy any more Tims, I have to be 10. That's it. Because I can't be bothered. My foot was killing me. Yeah, this jacket here was kind of small. I got it in Guess like maybe 5 years ago. So, 5, 6 years ago. Those times I was much slimmer. Now I'm bigger, so the jacket had to go. So here's the food court. This is that premium outlet. Their food court is really nice. Is there outdoor food court? No, no, just indoor. It's pretty good. Some of these stores, I don't know. I expected better deals. I expected better deals from some of these stores, but nevertheless, there were some good deals. And it all depends on what you're looking for too. Like my main focus was good deals on jackets, but I didn't really get any good deals on jackets on the Canadian side. When I went to Burlington Coat Factory, oh man, I can see why people love that place. It's almost like Winners, but a little bit better deals. I wouldn't even say a little bit better. There's a lot better deals. And I got some really nice jackets that's in style at like regular price, $250. They were selling them for like $60, $70. Nice jackets too. I got two nice Tommy Hilfiger jackets, bubble jackets, water resistant, wind resistant. And I test those jackets out right away. Like when I crossed it was cold on the Canadian side, cold on the US side. And I was wearing one and like there was a time when I felt like I was sweating. So I'm like, yeah, I got my money's worth. $70. Yeah, not disappointed at all. Yeah, that's me right there. I went into Guess. Guess kind of went down. Like 6, 7 years ago, Guess was like, one of those stores. Like, yeah, even the black jacket I'm currently wearing, I got it in Guess, like I said earlier. So I was expecting better stuff, but nah, I wasn't really like, they get a couple of nice accessories, but I don't know, like some of these things I'm seeing, I'm not ready yet. No, I'm not ready. They're not ready, not for me. They're too flamboyant and flashy, you know? No. So I guess I just got a couple like accessories, some travel bags and guess that was about it. The jeans, yeah, the jeans look okay. The t-shirts, I don't know. To me, I feel like sometimes some things less is more. This jacket was nice. I just didn't like that there's a hood and the hood can't come off. So I never really liked that. Yeah, I don't really. Like, if it was just a regular varsity jacket, then it would have been a keeper. And it comes in black and green. So these are the things I got. So, you can find a lot of use for those. If you're, put your phones, you're going on the road real quick or you travel, you can put your phones in there, your charger, your wallet. And the price was good. I think they're like $15 Canadian. So I got a couple of them. And I can, give them as gift as well. I can give them as gift as well. Yeah, guess was so so. So this is the second outlet that I'm on my way to. This one, the drive was no joke. This is a long drive, and then I was wearing Tim's. It's like I didn't really plan it properly, so my right foot, um, oh man, yeah, I don't even know. It was just not a good look. And sometimes one foot is taller than the other, wider. So my right foot is always my problem foot. It's like a little wider. And these Tims are 9.5, and I didn't really get to break them in. So it was rough, man. If you're gonna be taking a long drive, make sure you got some comfortable shoes. Make sure you got some slippers in the car, same way. Yeah. So yeah, this is the second outlet. This outlet was pretty good. The Niagara outlet was pretty good. So went to the kegs. Says Niagara Falls. The kegs, but there's more than one kegs. This one is the one at the Embassy Hotel, Embassy Suite. This is probably the biggest kegs I've ever been to. I'm a big fan of the kegs. I've never been to a kegs restaurant where I wasn't happy with the food, the service, and it was good. Appetizer was good. It was scallop wrapped in bacon. Kind of weird, but it tasted good with the radish sauce. And yeah, my fork dropped. I know, just my luck. And Keg's bread is really good. Yeah, their bread is really good. A little bit of fireworks took place. Can I say the food was good? I got a steak. Steak was really good. I had like a twice baked potato. To me, it looks like a loaded potato. Bacon. So they say. I didn't taste any bacon. But it looked good. It looked good. Tastes good too. And you can't go to the kegs without having Billy Miner. You can't go to the keg without having a Billy Miner. Just remember that you're in the kegs restaurant. Make sure you finish it with a Billy Miner dessert. So right here, going to the casino. I don't gamble, so but you can't come to Niagara Falls and not go to the casino. So I went to the casino, and you can't really do too much videoing on the inside, so I videoed outside. This night was cold, and this is my first night before I got the jacket. So you see, I'm in that little guest jacket, and that's not enough for me. I had a hat. I don't know why I took my hat off. I don't know why I took my hat off. Big mistake. It was cold. Also, Niagara Falls is cold because the falls is right there. So, when you're close to so much water, it's going to be extra cold. So, it was cold. I don't know, man. It was rough. And then the right foot on these Tims are so tight, squeezing me. But inside was very beautiful. And the security was very welcoming. I'm not really a big casino fan. I don't really know how people just get their money, go there and sit there for hours just losing because everybody know in casino the house always wins. Then to me, I feel like all these electronic machines are programmed to not pay out or maybe pay out once every couple months because it's a machine, it's a computer. And computers can be programmed to do whatever you want it to do, right? So only way I would gamble in a casino is if I'm going and playing some kind of card or I'm playing some kind of roulette, like something where it's a 50-50 chance. Like you spin the wheel, you pick a number, Yeah, I'm not playing no games where a machine is deciding because you're not gonna win. What casino is gonna get machines in their casino that will allow you to beat them? I just don't see that. I don't see that happening. So if I had to bet in a casino, I'm gonna play a game like a card game when it's just me and another human being where mistakes can be made. The human being can make a mistake and I can capitalize off of it, something like that. Anyways, like I said, you can't go to Niagara Falls and not go in the casinos. So this is one. I think this is Falls View. Yeah, and there's a lot of elderly people, young people. Yeah, no, I don't know how they do it. And it's set up so you don't have to leave. Like there's food, liquor, everything is there. So you could be there for hours just gambling. Yeah, I even said it to the security, like, I don't know how people do it, man. And he said to me, I don't know either. I don't know what would compel them to come in and, work for their money and come and just give it away like that. So yeah, to each his own, I guess. So this is the view from my room, my hotel room. It's a really nice view. That's the falls over there on the right. It's I like how they it lights up at night. That's the strip. There's the embassy suite. There's a Kegs restaurant or inn. Um, because it's January 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. It wasn't very busy. There was a lot of people there, but not like it's not like overly busy like if you come on the weekend. But I like that though. This side is not really the side where like Clifton Hill. I think that's the street where all the activities are on. This side to me is the mature people. So those are some of the shoes I got. Got some knapsacks, I like the knapsack, especially when you're traveling. Yeah. I got a good deal on the
Yeah, so this is the view at
LeBrons,
daytime.
and I got
The
a good deal on the
falls.
Prestos. Those same
Falls is
Prestos
very
even come in high
beautiful, very
cut.
majestic.
They even come in high cut. It's on the Canadian side. It's funny, both side are the Canadian side and the US side are both called Niagara Falls. I would think maybe the US side would be called something different, but no. Both sides, yeah, both sides are called the same thing. That was just a little interesting. Yeah, there's a strip. This is early in the morning. I'm getting ready because this is before we went to the US side. A lot of hotels downtown Niagara Falls. Lots of hotels, motels. Like, I think they have somewhere, anywhere, any budget you have, they have somewhere that can accommodate you. Even when it comes to food, 10.99 all you can eat, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Yeah, any budget. You go there with $100, $200, you're good to go. So this is the drive or going to the U.S. border. I like this border. I went to the Lewiston border. Very quiet, but I don't know. I don't know if on January 2nd there were gonna be a lot of, like waiting. But for normally the Lewiston border is not as busy as the Peace Bridge. Yeah, the bridge is always very, very busy. So I just went for the safer bet. And yeah, I was right. There was only like one car in front of me. So this is we're on our way to the Burlington. Cool. So I gotta be honest with you. My friend is who took me here, and I've never been to Burlington. But to be honest, I do follow some YouTubers, and they go around looking for good deals at outlets, and they always swear by Burlington. So I don't know. I didn't really know what to expect. And I don't know, like I walked in, I just saw a lot of old ladies. I'm like, why am I here? But then as I walked around and I checked out the jackets, I said, okay, there are some nice jackets. There are some nice jackets. Like if I had more money like that, I wasn't on a budget, I would have probably left for maybe like, 5 jackets. Because the price was good. $60, $70, and um some of them are on the tag. It says the MSR price, the retail suggested price, 250, and they're selling it for $70. That's great. Great deal. I saw some nice Tommy Hilfiger jackets. Like, this is a place I plan to go back to. And funny thing, while we're getting ready to leave, all you saw was just a whole bunch of Canadian license plates in the parking lot. Minivans, like 5, 6 people jumping out. Yeah, so it looks like this is a regular spot for Canadians to come to. But one thing I would tell you, if you come there, make sure you have cash, because for some reason, their point to purchase machine doesn't really work with Canadian cards. I don't know. It doesn't really work with Canadian cards. Like I tried like 4 cards, wouldn't work. We had to go to this machine, at this bank machine. There's a bank at the end of the plaza called Key Bank. We had to go there, and that's how we got money. Yeah, man. So make sure if you're going to America, make sure you have your cash. Yeah. Next time I go there, I hope I'll make sure I have cash. I had a US account, but I never used it, so I lost it. So now I kind of wish had a TD account. I'm gonna try to get that back up and running for 2024, because I plan to take some more trip, over the border and go elsewhere too. Like life is for living. I want to go to different places, try different things. I don't know. Canada is just work, bills, work, bills, work, bills, bills. And it's tiring, man. I'm tired of that. So these little outings it means a lot to me. Just to stretch my legs and just, go somewhere different. Forget about the bills and the job. At least for a couple hours, you can forget about your bills and your problems. So that means a lot to me. So I plan, by the grace of God, to do more of this, a little road trip. Yeah, so I had a really good time. My friend there was in desperate need of a jacket. So she just took off the one she was wearing and just dumped it in the garbage. Yeah. Yeah, I had a really good time. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I have tons of content from this trip. I'm gonna just try to make a couple more videos, but this is the first one. So like and share, help me to grow this channel. It's just me by myself. I don't have any special equipment, no special editing. I'm just starting my YouTube journey. So forgive me if it's not the best quality. I'm just starting. So as time progresses, I'm gonna get better.